A very good afternoon, children. Yesterday we started our first chapter from English rules, and today we will be moving from there only where we left. Okay, so let's start. Children, we read till this page. Yes. Okay, it was a party scene. And Johnny has organized this party, and all mice were enjoying the party. Suddenly, what happened, children? Timmy falls on this table and he breaks some glasses. Yes, and he don't know that there is a party going on. Okay, John saw Timmy a new mouse which he had never seen before. He was surprised. Okay, but still he invite and introduced Timmy with other mice. But Timmy was very nervous. Yes, because he can hear a cat running around the upstairs. And he heard from the cook was saying, "Bring me a stick." And out of this scared, he drops the plate. Yes, look here what he is saying. Oops, I dropped the plate because he is very much nervous. है ना? And due to the nervousness, he dropped the plate. But what the Johnny is saying, never mind, they don't belongs to us. So Johnny and other mice, they don't care about the broken glasses and plate because they stolen it from the kitchen. These are not their belongings. Yes, they stolen all these plates and glasses from the kitchen where they live. So now let's see what happened the next. Yeah, two young mice were serving the guests. They went scrimshing upstairs to the kitchen to get each dish. Several times they had come tumbling in, squeaking and laughing. Children, scrimshing. The meaning of scrimshing means um, yes, talking loudly and fighting for fun. Yes, as you people do when there is no teacher in the class. Okay, so they were also talking, fighting. They were also these are the two young mice. They are talking, fighting, running, laughing and enjoying the act of running. See, they are running now. They are looking very happy. So they are enjoying this act of running. Okay, and they are making the cat chase them. Yes, as you can see, look, as you can see, they are very happy and are not afraid. Actually, what happened, children? Actually, they are habitual. Yes, they have habit of doing this and they are very smart and fast. Okay, so um, they know that the cat is not able to catch them. Yes, and that's why they are enjoying this whole act. Yes, as you can see, as you can see what they are saying. See, come on, catch us. And what the cat is replying? Just you wait. So they are chasing cat also. They are running, they are fighting, they are tumbling, making a sharp noise. Yes, and they are enjoying this act. They are taking these plates and food from the kitchen. Basically, they are stealing this food. So these are the two mice, young mice, those who are serving to the guest. जो जॉनी के गेस्ट हैं, सी, जो जॉनी के गेस्ट हैं, इन सबको क्या कर रहे हैं, फूड सर्व कर रहे हैं. ओके, एंड दे आर वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस एक्ट, है ना. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट.